Imagine an artist who never sleeps, never tires, and never runs out of ideas. This is not a fantasy, but the reality of AI-generated art. In recent years, we've seen an incredible surge in the popularity of AI art. A blend of technology and creativity, this emerging genre has given us some truly remarkable pieces. Remember the portrait of Edmond de Bellamy? This AI-generated masterpiece made waves when it sold for a staggering $432,000 at Christie's auction house. Or what about the Dream series by Google's Deep Dream? These psychedelic images, born out of neural networks, have redefined the boundaries of artistic expression. AI art is breaking new ground, offering fresh perspectives and challenging our conventional understanding of what constitutes art. It's a fascinating intersection of human creativity and machine learning, a combination that is producing compelling and sometimes eerie results. AI art is not just a fad, but a groundbreaking development that is reshaping the artistic landscape. So, how does a machine create art? Let's peel back the layers of complexity. Art, as we know it, is a product of human imagination and creativity. But when it comes to AI art, the process is quite different. Instead of brushes and canvases, AI uses algorithms. Machine learning algorithms, to be precise, which allow the AI to learn from data and improve its performance over time. Let's take generative adversarial networks, or GANs, for instance. These are a type of machine learning system where two neural networks compete against each other. One network, the generator, creates images, while the other, the discriminator, judges them. The goal is to fool the discriminator into thinking that the generated image is real. Over time, the generator becomes better at creating convincing images. Neural style transfer is another fascinating technique. Here, the AI takes the style of one image and applies it to another, creating a whole new piece of art. Imagine, if you will, a portrait of you, but in the style of Van Gogh's Starry Night. AI art isn't limited to these techniques, though. There's also image generation, where AI can create completely new images from scratch, and creative adversarial networks, which allow AI to generate art that is both novel and aesthetically pleasing. It's not magic, it's a sophisticated blend of technology and creativity. What happens when human creativity meets artificial intelligence? The result, quite simply, is a new form of symbiosis, an unprecedented collaboration that is reshaping the landscape of art. Artists are now leveraging the power of AI as a creative partner, a digital muse, if you will. It offers a fresh palette, teeming with new ways to experiment with style, form, and composition. Take the case of renowned artist Jane Doe, for instance. Jane has been incorporating AI into her practice, using it to push boundaries and create art that is uniquely expressive. She has found that AI doesn't limit her creativity, but instead amplifies it, allowing her to explore dimensions she had never previously considered. Similarly, other artists are discovering that AI can be a catalyst, a spark that ignites new ideas and possibilities. In essence, AI is not replacing artists, but providing them with new tools to express their creativity. But not everyone is ready to embrace AI art. There are ethical implications to consider. As we delve deeper into the world of AI-generated art, questions of authorship arise. Who owns the rights to a piece of art created by a machine? Is it the programmer who designed the algorithm, or is it the machine itself? And what about originality? Can we truly consider an artwork as original when it's created from patterns learned from existing art? Moreover, there's the issue of commodification of creativity. Art, at its core, is a human endeavor, a personal expression of individual creativity. But with AI, we risk reducing art to a series of algorithms and patterns that can be mass-produced and sold. These ethical quandaries are not just philosophical musings. They have real-world implications for artists, collectors, and art markets. As with any technological advancement, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. As we look to the future, we can't help but wonder, what is the potential of AI art? Just as the invention of the camera in the 19th century revolutionized the art world, AI is set to do the same in the 21st century. It promises to redefine the boundaries of creativity, offering new ways of imagining, creating, and experiencing art. In the hands of artists, AI may serve as a powerful tool that pushes the envelope of what is conceivable. It could lead to novel forms of expression that are yet to be conceived, or even a new genre of art that blends human creativity with machine intelligence. But what about the implications for audiences and society? The democratizing potential of AI art is immense. With AI tools becoming more accessible, anyone could create art, regardless of their background or skill level. This could lead to a boom in creativity, with new voices and perspectives enriching the cultural landscape. However, the future of AI art is not without its challenges. As AI becomes a more prominent player in the art world, we must grapple with questions of authorship, originality, and authenticity. We must also ensure that the rise of AI art does not lead to the devaluation of human creativity and craftsmanship. The future of AI art is full of possibilities. It's up to us to shape it.